Hello, hello. Hello, everyone. Yes, come on, come on. Hello, hello, everyone. Hello, Sudeepa Didi, how are you? I'm great. आप कैसे हैं? Welcome, Shikhar. How are you? Yes, Sudeepa Didi, miss you too. Hello, hello. Hi, Sonakshi. Hi, Supesh. Hi, Jessica. Hello, everyone. So, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day, an important day for all the Indians around the world. It marks the Republic of our country, the Constitution of our India was enacted today. So, yes, an important day for each one of us. Hello, Saurabh. Hi, Khushi. Hi, Anjana, how are you? Thank you so much for your love from Nepal. Hi, Sunny. Hello, Balvir West Java, how are you? Thank you so much, all of you, for your love, wonderful support, so many people at my life. Hi, Shahid. Hi, Tanin. Hello. Yes. Hi, Jitu. Devex Legend. Hello. How are you? Hi, Raj. Dev Joshi, my lifeline. How are you? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hello, Anushka. How are you? Thank you so much for your love from Gujarat. Yes. Hi, Anand Kumar. Hi, Sajid. Hi, Nirmek. How are you? So yes, here I am after a long time in the new year, on the first celebration of our country, Republic Day, 72nd Republic Day of 2021, and it's so great to come live after so much time. Hello, Amit Ji, DCC Celebrity Management. How are you? Hi, Zangifan. Hello. Hello, Hitbi. How are you? So yes, there are pretty some questions out here. Okay, pretty well questions. Hi. Hello, Tanmay. Hi, Leela. Hi, Gracie. How are you? Congratulations for your new show and all the best. Yeah, sure. So I'm at Andheri right now in my car. Yes. Hi Shubhangi from Odisha. How are you? Yes, happy Republic Day to you. Welcome Gracie. So yes, there are pretty good requests around. नमस्ते आलोक कुमार जी, कैसे हैं आप? So yes, all is good, Gracie. Just I'm in अंधेरी in my car and बहुत टाइम बाद लाइव आया हूँ मैं. So yes, enjoying it pretty well. I had some work here in Andheri, so got little bit late to get my home. So सोचा कार में से ही लाइव हो जाते हैं. हेलो मनजोत जी फ्रॉम पंजाब, नमस्ते. हेलो रोहित. हाय युवराज, एकदम मजाમાં, आप કેમ છો? Thank you so much. It's our pleasure that you love our show, love Balveer so much. Thank you so much, Diya. So yes. Let me search. Hello. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you, Gracie. It's my pleasure. And thank you. Your sisters love my show. Hope I'm able to influence their life in a positive way and give them some good advices, good motivation for social service or somewhere to think about the society. Yeah, thank you. Hi Yashoda from Karnataka. Hello. Hi Jihan Devians. Happy Republic Day. Hi Riddhi. How are you? Hi Priyadarshini. Check. Let me check. It's kind of hard to find. Hello Atif ji, कैसे हैं आप? Live from Dubai, or I don't know where you are right now, but yes, after a long time, same here. We haven't seen each other in personally yet, but yes, कैसे हैं आप? All good. Yes, you're definitely यार, meet me Sonal ji. Sure. हो जाएंगे तो हम जल्दी ही मिलेंगे, पक्का. Sure. Hello Jahan Arora, कैसे हैं आप? Yes, all good. Hello from Indonesia, all my friends from Indonesia. Hello, how are you? So yes, let me check. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ
ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್
atau amati ko din mo.
Ano naman?
Tron di ba ning to dia bos.
ચેક કરું છું યસ
Search ko.
Mas. Ano?
Nilagay siya, no?
So yes, there was a contest going on since last few weeks, and some of them were, all of them were really good edits. I love them all, but I have to select the top of them. So yes, there were many pretty good edits I really liked from the bottom of my heart, and also my parents liked them. So yes, so let's join them in our live. Hey, hello, how are you?
I'm fine. आप कैसे हैं?
मैं ठीक हूँ.
Oh God, thank you so much for joining.
It's my pleasure, dear. कैसे हैं आप बताइए?
मैं ठीक हूँ. आप कैसे हैं?
एकदम बढ़िया. कहाँ से हैं आप?
उड़ीसा.
उड़ीसा से. ग्रेट. आपका एडिट बहुत ही अच्छा लगा मुझे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर
Thank
मेकिंग
you,
सच
thank you
ब्यूटीफुल
so much.
एडिट्स फॉर मी. और आपका अकाउंट का नाम भी बहुत अच्छा है. थैंक यू सो मच.
आंटी अंकल कैसे हैं?
बहुत अच्छे हैं एकदम. दे बोथ आर ग्रेट. ऑल फाइन.
Oh God, thank you so much for joining.
थैंक यू. आप ख्याल रखिएगा अपना और अपनी फैमिली का, और इसी तरह मुझे ढेर सारा प्यार देते रहिएगा. थैंक यू.
Thank you.
यस. હા, પ્રિયાંશી બેન ને મારો ઓટોગ્રાફ જોઈએ છે. તારી પાસે તો મારા કેટલા બધા ઓટોગ્રાફ હશે. હાય from Pakistan. Hello, how are you? Namaskar. Hi Saina. Yes. Yes, so here's one more account from who made such a wonderful edit. Let's see if they are live now to join. Yes, Atif ji, you're in Dubai right now. Okay, tomorrow you will be flying to other destination. All the best for your flight. Have a happy journey from me and my family. And my family is pretty great. We are all happy and enjoying the Republic Day as every year we do. Hi Megha, how are you? Hi Sanskriti from Chhattisgarh. कैसे हैं आप? Thank you for your love from West Bengal. Thank you so much. Hi Tejas from US. Hello, how are you? I think the account is not active right now, so let's join anyone else. Yes. Thanks. So let's join them if they are live right now. Devanya, FCX. Hello. Thank you so much. Hi, Arpan. Thank you so much. Hello, Dhruv Mehta. How are you? I also don't think the accounts are available right now. So, Debanya _X _ Vivan, Debanya FCX, Fan Club X, and Debanya.admire. Thank you so much for your wonderful edits. They are really pretty well. Now let's try to connect some of my fan pages. Yep. Yep. Let's see if Nusrat Devian 287 is available. એકદમ મજામાં તમે કેમ છો? All great. Hi Shivangi. Hi Suhel.
Thank you so much for adding me in your live.
Hi Nusrat. How are you?
Fine, and thank you so much.
It's my pleasure, dear.
Kushu.
Thank
I'm
you.
the
Thank you
biggest
so
fan
much.
from Bangladesh.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for your love from Bangladesh. Also, on this Republic Day, the army from your team, from your country was here. And it's proud moment for
Happy
India.
Republic Day, Dev.
For Happy Republic Day. Thank you so much. And आप कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं
Thank you
मुझसे?
for adding. हाँ, आपसे क्या पूछा? बांग्लादेश कब आओगे?
I will surely come once and meet you. पक्का मिलेंगे जल्दी. And till then, take care, stay safe. And बहुत
You
अच्छे
take
edits
care,
बना रहे हैं
Dev.
आप. बस इसी तरह प्यार देते रहिए हमें D3 परिवार को. Thank you. Take care.
Welcome, and thank you for adding.
My pleasure, dear. Okay, so that was Nusrat. So hi Rohit. Hello Diksha. So who's next? Let me search. Dev Joshi X edit. Yes, here I am. કેમ છો? એકદમ મજામાં. All great. ગણતંત્ર દિવસ છે આજે તો just enjoying.
Hi,
Hi,
Dev. How are you?
I'm fine. Hello.
So good to see you.
Same here.
Happy Republic Day.
आपको भी हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे और थैंक यू सो मच.
I'm
Your editing
I'm
was really
sorry.
wonderful. Thank you.
Thank you so much. This really means a lot to me. Thank you.
My pleasure. कहाँ से?
And आप सूरत कब आओगे? मैं सूरत से हूँ, गुजरात सूरत.
Okay.
एंड मैं 18 इयर्स की हूँ. मैं आपका शो 2012 से देख रही हूँ.
Oh,
एंड आप बहुत इम्पैक्ट करते हो मेरे लाइफ पे.
Thank you so much, dear.
थैंक यू. आपके पेरेंट्स कैसे हैं?
They are really great, all happy, all healthy.
Thank you so much for adding me. This really means a lot to me. You literally made my 2021.
It's my pleasure, dear. Have a
I'm just so
wonderful day.
shaking. Thank you so much.
Thank you. You wanna ask me something?
Yeah, just come to visit us on Surat, please. We are just missing you a lot.
Sure. I travel a lot from Surat to and fro, so surely we'll meet once. Okay?
Yeah, so please just come at my home too if possible. I'll send you the address also.
I will try my best, dear. Thank you so much. Take care.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Ryder. Hello, Sumit. Yes. Okay. So, who's else? Hello everyone.
पर नाम बोलिए बेटा.
So yes, if I missed anyone, so here are the top edits I liked from the accounts: Debanya underscore X underscore Vivan, Debanya FCX, Debanya.admire, Nusra Devian 287, Dev Joshi X edit, and Dev X Sparkle. All of the accounts made wonderful edits. And thank you so much for your time, for your efforts, for making such wonderful edits with beautiful songs, beautiful edits, beautiful photos. Bas, keep loving me like this. Keep loving D3 Parivar. Thank you so much. Yes. Hello. How are you? राखान, आपका कल जन्मदिन है. आपको जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं. एडवांस में हैप्पी बर्थडे. हाय सुप्रतिम, कैसे हैं आप? Yes, so any questions? Let's see if there are any questions out there. So, yes, anyone who wants to ask me any question, please, you can ask me in the comment section or as well as in the question answer section also. I will try my best to answer it. Tyaji. Hello Sania, आज आपका जन्मदिन है. Happy birthday dear. What a wonderful day to have a birthday. 26 Jan. Good. Hi Diksha, how are you? Janvi Shukla, hello. My favorite singer. They're pretty good singers. I like all of them, but if you ask me specifically, so I really like all the ghazal samrats of our India. Anup sir hai, Anup Jalota ji hai, Hariharan ji hai, पंकज दास जी है, कई सारे. आई एम ओल्ड सोल, सो रेट्रो सॉन्ग्स गजल मुझे बहुत पसंद है. सो यस, आई प्रीटी एंजॉय देम. यस, लेट मी चेक. हेलो मम्मी. हेलो पप्पा.
ऑरेंज लेवा गयो तो.
थैंक यू. संतरा लाए मेरे लिए.
सॉरी,
मेरे लिए संतरा लेके आए.
ऑरेंज लेने आवे तारा માટે.
थैंक यू. ये देखो मेरे दोनों सामने दोनों ही खड़े हैं. ये रहे देखो.
हमारे
हेलो. यस.
કેવું લાગ્યું બહુ ટાઈમે લાઈવ થઈને ફ્રેન્ડ્સ જોડે વાતો કરી, ફેન્સ જોડે વાતો કરી, એમના એડિટ્સ ને બધું ગમ્યું?
યસ રિયલી પ્રીટી વેલ. બહુ જ સારું લાગ્યું બધા જોડે વાત કરીને. હમણાં ચાલે જ છે વાતો. એન્ડ યુ જોઈન્ડ મી, યુ સેન્ડ મી રિક્વેસ્ટ, તો ચલો મમ્મી પપ્પા को भी જોઈન કરી લેते हैं. થેન્ક યુ. અને બહુ મજા આવી. બહુ ટાઈમ પછી લાઈવ આવ્યા.
બહુ મજા આવી. એમ તરફ ફ્રેન્ડ્સ ને બી અમે લોકો કહીશું D3 પરિવાર તરફથી.
Yes, thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much for your love.
Yes.
देवकोशी एंड D3 परिवार. एंड आपके एडिट्स बहुत अच्छे होते हैं, हमें बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. सो ऐसे ही हमें प्यार करते रहिए और एडिट्स भेजते रहिए.
Yes. Love you all.
लव यू.
Yes, so that was D3 Parivar. From outside of the car, I am inside the car. Wow. Hi, Intana. Hi, Nino. Best thing in you, sir. Yeah, it's my pleasure that I inspire you. I try to inspire the youth, the young generation of our country. And I try to motivate them for doing good things, for the social cause, for helping others through my character and also through my Insta ID or other social media accounts as Dev Joshi. So yes, it's my pleasure that I was able to influence you in a positive way and make you uh, make you do some social service or help someone. Thank you. Hi, Desai King. Okay. Let's see who I can add. Let's add Priyam. Hi, Yuvraj Musale. Hello. I'm fine. Hi, Ragini. Gosh. Hello, Ankush. How are you? So yes, some of the people are not. Let me check.
OMG देव भैया मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा आपने मुझे ज्वाइन किया है।
It's my pleasure. क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम दिनेश है देव भैया।
दिनेश, आप राजस्थान से हैं?
हाँ मैं राजस्थान से हूँ भैया।
अच्छा, थैंक यू सो मच। आप बहुत मेहनत करते हैं, मुझे आपकी स्टोरीज और एडिट्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच भैया, थैंक यू सो मच। मुझे अभी तक विश्वास नहीं हो रहा कि आपने मुझे ज्वाइन किया भैया।
इट्स माय प्लेजर। और
you,
बताइए
thank
क्या
you.
करते हैं आप?
भैया अभी स्टडी करता हूँ मैं, अभी साइंस बायो मेरा सब्जेक्ट है।
अरे वाह, गुड।
और है ना 10 क्लास में मेरे 78% बने थे भैया।
अरे वाह, गुड गुड। बस इसी
हाँ।
तरह पढ़ाई करते रहिए और अपने माँ बाप का, अपने परिवार का नाम रोशन कीजिए।
हाँ
All the
भैया,
best.
और आपको फुल सपोर्ट है मेरी तरफ से भैया।
थैंक यू सो मच।
भैया प्लीज D3 परिवार को बोल सकते हैं कि मेरी DM एक्सेप्ट कर दी प्लीज भैया। आपने तो कर दी।
श्योर श्योर, मैं पक्का मम्मी को बोल दूंगा।
मैं हमेशा है ना उनको टैग करता हूँ, लेकिन आप तो एक्सेप्ट कर ली, लेकिन उन्होंने नहीं की।
नहीं, मैं अभी बोलता हूँ, अभी एक्सेप्ट हो जाएगी।
भैया थैंक यू सो मच मुझे ज्वाइन करने के लिए। थैंक यू भैया। हाँ ओके भैया,
Thank you so much.
वेलकम। हाय सुधीर, हाय। हेलो हेलो, हाउ आर यू? Let me check. Yes, hello, hello. Hi Faiz Ahmad, how are you? Hi Abhay, कैसे हो? All good? चिंटू? Hi निशांत। I'm रियाज, आपका बर्थडे है कल। Many happy returns of the day in advance. What's my goal in 2021? That's a pretty good question. So yes, I will keep you entertaining as I am doing. It's my pleasure. And 2021 has really great hopes for me. I am going to be 21 this year. The age of change for me. And the new decade will start for me. So yes, it will be pretty fun. Enjoying, I will enjoy. And let's see what 2021 has brought up for me and for everyone around me. It will be interesting and we will enjoy. Okay. Anyone else? Hi Smita, how are you? Hi Gauri. Hello. I think there's some disturbance. Okay. No worries. Okay, Aku Cinta, Deviants, Indonesia. Yes. Thank you, Mausamusun. Thank you so much. Hello, Balvi team. Thank you. We have a wonderful team, wonderful directors, creatives, and we work really hard. Our VFX team, our production, the channel team, all the actors work so hard. We try to make our best and in the specific time. So yes, we enjoy it and we'll keep entertaining you through Balvi returns. Yep. Hi, NB. Thank you, Mronali. Thank you. So yes, it's 6:30, and in half an hour, Balvi Returns is going to come on Sony Sub. So, are you all excited for today's episode? Patal Lok and new world coming around, new characters coming around, same characters but in a different zone and a negative aspect. Also, there's a surprise for you, everyone, in upcoming episodes. It was fun. It was I enjoyed playing that part a lot, and I'm sure you will also enjoy it. So yes, you will really love it. Sure, I will soon share the photos and links on my social media account soon. But please don't forget to watch Balvi Returns at 7 p.m. Hi Shagun, Happy Republic Day. Abhay, yes, let's join Abhay if he's available.
हेलो देव भैया,
How are you?
एकदम बढ़िया। आप
हाँ,
कैसे हो?
मैं
हैप्पी
ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे।
आप दोनों को भी हैप्पी रिपब्लिक डे। कैसे
और
हो?
बताइए। एकदम बढ़िया। आप कैसे हो?
एकदम बढ़िया। कहाँ पर हो अभी?
अभी तो हम लोग घर में ही हैं।
मतलब मुंबई की भोपाल? कभी भी भोपाल निकल लेते हो?
अरे नहीं, मुंबई में ही है।
हाँ,
नमस्ते अंकल, कैसे हैं आप?
दिखते हैं अंकल?
हाँ, अंकल
अरे
दिखते हैं।
क्या बात है।
नमस्ते आंटी।
हाय गुड।
कैसे हैं आप सब?
एकदम बढ़िया।
डैडी क्या करते हैं डैडी?
डैडी अभी पूजन कर रहे हैं,
अच्छा
शाम की पूजन।
अच्छा,
नाइस नाइस।
और बताइए, कैसा क्या
बस
आज
एकदम
का?
बढ़िया। बस एंजॉय किया रिपब्लिक डे।
अरे वाह। और बताइए,
Yes.
अभी आप किधर हो?
अभी मैं अंधेरी में हूँ और थोड़ा काम था इसलिए आया था, लेकिन फिर लेट हो गया घर पहुंचने में, तो सोचा ऑन द वे लाइव हो जाता हूँ।
अरे वाह। और बताइए।
बस एकदम बढ़िया। बस तो मिलता है कल सेट पे।
पक्का
Okay.
पक्का पक्का देव भैया।
टेक केयर,
चलिए,
बाय, एंजॉय,
बाय बाय भैया।
बाय बाय।
देखो हैंड मस्त ना।
हाय सोबिया। So yes, my mom is saying battery is low. Okay, I'm just checking and it's 2%. Wow. So only 2% battery. अब क्या करें? Okay. So no worries. Before the 2% battery goes off, thank you so much all of you for joining my live on the Republic Day. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day once again. And you people really create wonderful edits, my fans, my friends from around the world. Really, thank you so much. I'm overwhelmed by your love, by your support. Just keep loving me, keep supporting me. The D3 Parivar. We love you all. Keep loving us. Take care, and the battery is 1%. Okay. Thank you. Take care. We will join live soon, I'm sure. अब इतनी ज्यादा देर नहीं लगाऊंगा, but जल्दी मिलेंगे and take care everyone. Bye bye.